Hello and welcome. Today, we'll explore ways to succeed in the language learning process. Everyone has different learning styles and strategies, so in this episode, we'll discuss various methods to help you find what works best for you. 1. Goal setting. The first step is to set your learning goals. What level do you want to reach and how much time? When your goals are clear, you can boost your motivation and make your learning process more efficient. 2. Daily practice. One of the most effective ways to learn a language is to practice daily. By dedicating a specific amount of time each day, you can expand your vocabulary and reinforce grammar rules. Keeping a journal or writing short dialogues can. 3. Listening and watching. To improve your listening skills, you can listen to English podcasts, music, or watch films. This not only expands your vocabulary but also helps with accent and pronunciation. 4. Speaking practice. Practicing speaking is crucial when learning a language. You can join language exchange programs or find partners through language learning apps. Talking to yourself is also a great way to practice. 5. Resource variety. Using different resources enriches your learning process. You can diversify your learning experience with books, online courses, apps, and interactive games. 6. Receiving feedback. Getting feedback while learning a language is very valuable. Ask teachers or language partners for help to learn from your mistakes. This will help you improve. Learning a language requires patience and perseverance. However, with the right strategies, this journey can be both fun and rewarding. By trying the strategies we discussed today, you can find your own learning style and reach your goals. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.